Hi everyone, this is Yushin. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make these earrings. I'm using Fimo Soft and the clay color that I'm using is Pistachio Nut. I've rolled them out in a pasta machine and right now I'm just cutting them into equal width. And then I have this second color that is darker. This color is actually the original color. Previous color that I was cutting is this color mixed with some white clay. After I'm done cutting, I am going to combine these two colors and make them into one single slab. And next I'm going to flip this 90 degrees and then I'm going to cut them again into equal stripes. And then I will make them into a chessboard. And I forgot to film this part, but after finishing making the chessboard, I would use a clean printing paper, press it onto the clay, and just slightly roll it with a roller to make the surface smooth. And next, I'm just adding liquid clay onto the slab. Whenever I'm adding element to my slab, I would use some liquid clay to attach them together. Without the liquid clay, the daisies would fall off quite easily. And I made these daisies with a silicone mold. And now I'm just cutting out some cloud. This slab is really thin. You can also use a craft knife when cutting out the cloud. After attaching the cloud onto my slab, I used a Q-tip with some alcohol to clean the edges as well as clean the fingerprints and dust on my clay. And then I'm just cutting out the shape with a cookie cutter. And then I would just bake them. When I'm baking my earrings, I always bake them on clean printing paper so the back would be matte and smooth. I liked to clean the edges of the earrings before baking as well with some alcohol so that I don't have to sand afterwards. After baking, I would just assemble the earrings and then add the post to the back. I always seal the back of my earrings with resin after adding the post to prevent it from falling off. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.